Hello guys, good evening. This is One Cafe ECR Road in Doha Al Mansoura. Good interior, good hygienic, fresh everything like juice, shake, everything is very fresh. This is the family restaurant. Please come to with kids, with family, anybody's come here and visit. Cheap price, all everything is fresh like juice, sandwich, everything is fresh and it is very cheap price. Please come to one time visit just see and very good hygiene also. Thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po. Halina po kayo sa Espresso Hub. Dito lang po yan sa Mansoura, Sinring Road. Magandang gabi po. Halina po kayo dito sa Espresso Hub. Meron po kami mga fresh juice, coffee, mojito, and milkshake po.
Good evening mga kabayan. Punta kayo dito sa Espresso Hub Cafe. And may offer kami dito na coffee, lemonade, fresh juice, and mojito. And for the foods naman, meron kami sandwich and clubhouse, vegetable salad, and Big Mac. Nag-open kami 4 p.m. to 3 a.m. Good evening. Punta na kayo dito mga kabayan, dito sa Espresso Hub. Nag-open kami 4 p.m. to 3 a.m. May offer kami dito na coffee, mojito, fresh juice, and sandwiches.
Hello mga kabayan, good afternoon. Punta po kayo dito sa Espresso Hub, Filipino Coffee Shop. Napakamura lang po ng aming coffee. Welcome po kayo dito. Lahat ng pamilya pwede po dito. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat mga kabayan. Punta po kayo dito sa Espresso Hub. Meron kaming fresh juice, meron kaming fresh na pagkain, mga sandwich, and meron kaming buy one take one. Buy one take one na pagkain, buong pamilya, pwede po dito mga bata, pwede kumain.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good information, good